Now I'm gonna pick a random question in this box. Let us see. What animal would make a great driver? No animal. Be myself and drive a car. Because I don't think I feel safe with an animal driving a car, okay? What makes you feel loved? My family, my parents, my grandparents, my cousins, my true friends. That's what makes me feel loved. I'm really excited. Okay, let's read it. If you could be any age, what age would you be? I want to be a baby, so I want to be like 3 years old. Because I want to be a baby, I want to be young. I don't want to be old, okay? Next question. If you could trade places with anyone for a day, who would it be? I've been waiting for this question. I would go to my papa's office. It's because I haven't gone to my papa's office. It's pretty cool. Check it. What is the most annoying sound? My mom yelling at me. That's kind of weird. Okay, let's see this. Would you rather be too hot or too cold? Oh, this is a hard question. I don't want to be too hot. I want to be too cold. Okay? Because if I'm hot, I can't survive. I want to be chilly. There's a paper that fell. I'm gonna get it. How about I pick this one? I wonder what this is. Okay. Do you like it when other people share with you? Why? Yes, I do. It's because I share with them also. And I want them to share back with me and to be friends with me. What 3 items would you grab if your house was on fire? I would get a fire extinguisher if I had one, but no. I would get sand and water. If you could have any superpower, what would it be? Ooh, that is tough. I gotta think. I would control animals with my mind. I want them to be kind to people. Don't want them to be scratching people's houses. Who is your favorite storybook character? Oh, I think I love Minnie Mouse. It's pretty cool. I have this Disney book and I really like it. What job would you never want to have? I would not have a pilot because I don't know how to steer the wheel. I just want to be like this. Ladies and gentlemen, fasten your seatbelts. We're about to take flight, go to Canada and everything. See, my eye is red. What is the best gift you ever received? My phone. It was December and I was sick. And we were going to Bacolod. My mom said, Nin, would you go to Bacolod at 26 or would you buy a phone? And I was like, that's a nice one. I was like, buy a phone because I love a phone. Okay, if you had a pet dragon, ooh, that's kind of cool. What would you do together? Fly up in the mountains high. Many centuries ago, there were Lambos for kings and queens. What is your favorite thing about yourself? Oh, my favorite thing about myself is that I have a talent. I can sing. I'm thankful for the God that He gave me a talent that I can use to save the world. If you could be any animal, what would you be? I want to be inland. I want to be an elephant because they're pretty smart. They're pretty nice. Just don't abuse animals, okay? Because you know why. They attack people. Would you rather play inside or outside? I'm pretty missing my friends that I play outside. My mom says, how about you play outside now? And then I want to play outside, so I go outside. No one is outside. I'm like, oh man, I guess I have to play inside. But my mom doesn't let me play inside my phone. So I have to stare in space or play with my toys. What makes you feel thankful? Everything that is around me. My life, my family. Because God created us, we have to worship Him. Because He's our King and God.